Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a free SSL certificate in cPanel. For installing SSL, you must have your own domain name. You can get domain name and free SSL certificate with our web hosting plans. After that, log into your cPanel. Then look for Security section and click on SSL TLS option. Click on Manage SSL Sites. Go to Install an SSL Websites section. First, choose domain for which you want to install SSL. Then click on Autofill by domain option. Scroll down and click on Install Certificate option. Successfully, you have installed a free SSL certificate in cPanel. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative and useful content. Thanks for watching the video.